Moving on, last but not the least, one of my favorite yarn which I really like is this velvet yarn. You can see that this yarn is velvety, shiny, and very soft. Once again, all the things are written in Chinese, but there are few things that you can understand and read which are not written in Chinese. Not chlorine, bleach, 120 degrees Celsius, dry clean or hand washing, gentle, dry in the shade, plain unfold area. And here are a few more instructions. Now the needle and the hook is also written that you can use 3.5 4 mm hook over here. It also weighs 100 grams each ball. And here is the name. Oh, I cannot read the name. So the name is written in some other language. But let me tell you, this yarn is amazing and I am planning to make a blanket with it. So for sure my kids were very crazy about this yarn, and they finally, when they knew that it's very soft and such a nice yarn, so they told me that mama, please make a blanket for us. So I am planning to make one for them. So here I am using 4 mm hook, and let me show you how it works. See. You can also make muffler with it, or scarf, or a shawl. Again, let me tell you, this is available at Nafis collection, and in this yarn also we have so many different colors. This is the camel color or a brown color that you can see in my hand, and rest of them are very beautiful colors. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss these such beautiful reviews and the beautiful yarns that you can see. And I must say that and I highly recommend Nafis collection to buy all these types of things. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you can be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Have a great day. Thank you so much.